What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. The RSX has been at the paint shop getting paint correction, but it's finally back. And we also got our A-Spec lip kit painted finally. So for today's video, we're gonna put everything together, put it back on the car, and see how it comes out. So we're gonna start off by mounting this bottom STI lip to the A-Spec lip, and then from there we're gonna put it onto the front bumper and then move on to the back. So let's get to it. So here it is, the A-Spec lip mounted onto the bumper, and oh, it looks so sick, so freaking juicy. Can't wait to put it onto the RSX. So next we're gonna install the rear A-Spec lip to the back bumper, but I want to wrap these little sections here black where the inserts go. Have both of them black, but I'm waiting on the black wrap to get here. It says on my Amazon account that it will be here around 8 o'clock, so I don't know if I'm gonna wait that long or go get some from one of my buddies that does wrap. So can't wait to put this on the car. It's gonna look so fucking amazing. And I also painted the headlights the same color as the car just so it could match. I had a yellow strip on it before, but it didn't look right because the paint wouldn't match. So all we have to do is wait on that wrap and finish this up. So I wasn't about to wait till 8 o'clock for that wrap to get here. So I just went ahead and put everything as it is. We got the front bumper done, rear bumper done. So now let's get to installing it on the car and show you guys the final result. Well, boys, it started raining out of nowhere, so we're gonna have to do this tomorrow. It's the next day. I've been up since 6 in the morning. It's currently 8 o'clock. Been up early putting this car back together because I just couldn't wait. Wanted it finished already, and I'm very happy. I'm standing in front of the car right now, and I'm just so proud of myself and how this car has been coming along. And all I gotta say is, if you want something, stay dedicated to it. Trust God's timing, and hard work and dedication is gonna get you to where you want. So that's all I can say. I'm so stoked with the way the car has came out, and there's still more that I want to do to it, but little by little I'll get this car to where I want it to be. So here's how the car looks.
It looks like you lost another one.
So that's the final result of how the RSX is sitting at the moment. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. We're gonna wait for like around 10 o'clock and roll out to a car meet. So gonna head on out over there in about 2 hours and show you guys some cars. So like always, you know, get there, record some other cars that I think are cool. So come along with us to the car meet.